Hello everyone, this is Professor speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel or if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. This is the usual gold analysis. Last week, I realized this and told you that gold is not going to break any down at this point until it retests 1980, and of course you saw what happened. It retested above 1980 and certainly was not able to push further for a reason, and I will show you why. So after retesting 1980 and above, about 1982 or thereabout, then it pulled down, and the reason for this is not perfect. When you go to 1 hour time frame, here you will see that gold have already finished what is called the area 12 on 1 hour time frame. Here is the 0 point, and you can see the number 1 here and the number 2 here, the number 3, 4 and 5. Then the normal M format or W format is usually correct when it finishes the number 5 and then pull down. So, but then let's go ahead and see what gold is going to do further at this point. As you can see that the price of gold have already broken this expected market movement. So, and the reason for breaking this expected market movement is very obvious. Remember the other week we analyzed a divergence on 4 hours time frame, and of course I told you that this line signifies the divergence dates and dates, and here at this point is the area where the divergence started. So the normal gold price movement is what is displaying out in the market. When you look at this place, here is where the marker signal line first of all tested the oversold area and then started creating the normal divergence. If you use phone, you will be able to see this. So, but like I said, here, due to this divergence, this very resistance area before the breakdown that continue to form this divergence, it's also what gold wants to create at the right wing before trending up. Right now, guys, I am going to reanalyze the gold market at this point. Alright guys, this is the current analysis on gold. Take a look, and then I will have to explain. So the reason for this is because, like I said, when you look at this resistance area before the price broke down within the ranging the divergence area, which I told you that immediately the MACD formed or touched the oversold or overbought area, the divergence will start creating. You will find out that in this place, after the reversal in the market which tested this area and this resistance area, of course, these two resistance area, as you can see at the right wing, what gold tends to do here is to create this type of chart pattern and I expect that the price is going to continuously range within these impulse correction lines before it will break out to uptrend. That is to create a similar wing that it did at the left side. But then, to see this obviously, I would like us to also remember that when you go to 1 week time frame, you will see something amazing here. Do not forget, I told you that this is what is informing the decision of the analysis I've been posting, because obviously the price of gold seems to be bullish, and as long as these waves still remains, there is certainty for price of gold to continue bearish. And this H4 analysis is still within this overall 1 week analysis on gold. What you are seeing here in the 1 week time frame is the analysis I have done for a very long time, which indicates that the price of gold is still bullish. Yeah, and the last week candlestick that closed here also closed above this moving average, so which entails that the price of gold is still bullish, and this is what is informing the decision at the moment. Even though that some are expecting that the price of gold is going to fall entirely, I doubt it, but like you know, what everyone sees in the forex market are always right, but in the end the market will choose the best decision. So this is the analysis so far, because the next target at this place is here. That is, by the time gold will finish this impulse correction it is doing at this point, then when it breaks out